4 Model D. Don't try this at home, folks. They got a special seat on there. It'll take 2 people.
Do you know what those seats were for, Brian? Those white seats for 2 people?
Is that for taking your sweetie to town?
Yeah, you could go on a date. You could go to A&W with it. Yeah, I like that idea. They're demonstration seats. John Deere used these white seats so dealers could go out to customers and demonstrate these tractors with a customer right on the seat. That's a nice pull.
That's a nice restoration too. That's a nice looking tractor. He's not slowing down either.
Notice the weight.
This is Ryan. Okay, Ryan's flat. Ryan. Number 4 and 3.